Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Figma website. Once the site loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will see an option labeled Log In. Clicking this button will prompt you to begin the sign-in process. After you have initiated the login sequence, look for the option that allows you to continue with Google. When you click on Continue with Google, a new window will appear displaying a list of available Google accounts. At that point, choose the appropriate account you wish to use for Figma. This streamlined sign-in method is both efficient and secure as it leverages your existing Google credentials. After successfully signing in, you will reach the main dashboard of Figma. Now locate and open the project in which your component is stored. This project should be readily accessible from your list of recent projects or from your workspace if you have it organized in a specific manner. Once you have entered the project, take a moment to verify that the component you intend to duplicate is visible in the left-hand navigation layer, which organizes all your design elements. With your project open, proceed to locate the component you wish to duplicate. Move your cursor to the left navigation pane where your component is listed and perform a right click on it. This action will reveal a context menu that contains several options related to the selected component. Among these options, identify and click on Copy. This command will store a copy of the component in your clipboard, making it ready to be transferred. After copying the component from the original project, navigate to your new file within Figma. This file is where you will be duplicating the component, allowing you to work in a separate design environment, or simply to organize your components more appropriately. Once your new file is loaded, move your cursor into the main editing area. Here, you are now prepared to paste the previously copied component. Perform a right click in the editor area of your new file to bring up the context menu again. In that menu, you will find an option labeled Paste Here. Click on this option to drop the component into the new file exactly where you intend it to be. This operation transfers your component from one file into another, allowing you to maintain your design consistency or to begin working on different iterations based on the same element. Throughout this process, ensure every action is deliberate. From navigating to Figma and signing in securely with your Google account to copying and pasting the design component, each step has been carefully structured to help you efficiently duplicate your design element from one file to another. By following these instructions with attention to detail, you can enhance your workflow in Figma and make the most out of your design projects. Enjoy the seamless transition as you manage your components across various files within Figma for a smoother and more organized creative process.